Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4 with your MacBook. You have to start by click one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. After that, you need to open the charging case. If your earbuds not connected with another device, they will enter to pairing mode automatically, and you will see them as a device list. But also, we can enter to pairing mode manually. Right here inside the charging case we have connection button. You need to press and hold this button until this LED light start blinking white, like what I have right now, so it's something like 3 seconds. After you enter pairing mode, we can finally pair them, so click connect near to them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!